Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Another important lesson and easy one. So, what you do is we have some pronouns here. So, you need to put the four properties because all the pronouns are isms. So, ism has four properties. You need to understand what are the four properties of these pronouns. Okay. So, some examples have been done. Huwa, first of all, Rafa. First, one thing to remember, all the independent pronouns are rafa. Huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahunu. All these independents are rafa. So, if example, if whom comes independent, it is rafa. But if come attached, it can be nasibojar. Okay. So, it is rafa. And huwa is singular, and huwa is masculine, and huwa is proper. So, all the pronouns, it can be independent, not independent, all are proper. So, I don't want, sometimes I will not say it is proper or not because all the pronouns are proper. Okay. Right. Second one is nahunu. First of all, it is rafa because the independent pronoun, and second is it is masculine. Okay, and it is plural and it's masculine. To be honest, is feminine is inclusive here, but we generally grammatically we consider as masculine, and it is plural and it is proper. I don't have to say that all the pronouns are proper. Third one, tansuru kuma. So kuma mean antuma become kuma, right? So it's two. Antuma is two. So first of all, it is it can be nasibojar because it attached. Second thing is it is two, and third is it is masculine. It can be feminine as well because anta antuma antum anti antuma antunna. So both scenario it is kuma. So for the easy side we'll write masculine, and finally it is proper. And fourth one is already done, nasara ha. So ha is nasib. Here, okay, your answer can be nasib or jar. Okay, here it is mentioned nasib, but when you are writing, you can write nasib or jar both because you don't know why it is nasib now. You have to learn for fihl to understand it is nasib. So at least you can say it is nasib or jar. That is, I can accept that answer. You don't have to say nasib. And singular and feminine because who are here become ha, and it's proper. Okay, akhraja huma. Huwa, huma, hum, here, huma, unna. Huma is attached one here, so it can be nasib or jar, and it is you can say masculine or you can say feminine, doesn't matter because both it comes, and it is two, not plural, it is two, and finally it is proper. Then antunna, huwa, huma, hum, here, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna. This is an independent pronoun, so it is definitely rafa. Independent is rafa, and definitely it is feminine because antunna is all feminine. You all feminine, right? And definitely it is plural and it is proper. Alay na attach one, na is nahunu. Nahunu is first of all it is nasibojar. Okay, attach nasibojar. Second is plural, it is masculine, and finally it is proper. Kitabu kunna it's antunna. Okay, so it is nasibojar because it is attached, and it's obviously it's feminine, and obviously it is plural and proper. Anta, independent one, it is rafa, and it is one. Anta is one, and it is masculine. Feminine is anti, so finally it is proper. And kaumi, this is kaumi e. Okay, e is attached, so it is, remember, if attached is ana, attach of ana. Ana has the specific version for nasib and jar. If it is ni, it's nasb, and if it is e, kaumi, it is jar. So if e comes, you have to say jar. You cannot say nasib or jar because only ana has that variation. If you go to the theory, ana has that variation. Separate answers for nasib and jar. Nasib is ni, jar is e. So kaumi is coming from ana attached, so it is jar, and it is one, singular, and it is masculine, and it is proper. Whom, here we assume it is whom is independent, so it is rafa, and it is plural, and it is masculine, and it is proper. Istaghfir, who is attached version of huwa, so it is nasib jar, it is masculine, it is singular, and finally it is proper. Wa'adakum, kum come from antum, become kum at when it come to attach. So antum is one, right? Sorry, antum is anta, antuma, antum. Antum is plural, and it is attached because it's attached in nasib jar. It is plural, it is masculine, because antunna is feminine, antum is masculine, and finally it is proper. Huma, again huma, I'll go with the huwa huma part. So it is independent, so it is alone, it is there, it is rafa. And I would say it's masculine because I will assume the first one, first huma. Even if you say feminine, doesn't matter, its answer is correct. Can be masculine or feminine, or both, or like it can be two masculine, two feminine, or it can be one masculine and one feminine. So it can be any of these variant, because huwa huma hum, here huma hunna. So both place masculine and feminine, we are saying huma. Okay, so it is masculine, feminine, both, whatever the answer is correct. And it is not plural, it is two, pair. And finally it is common, sorry, not common, proper, always proper. Fihinna, fihinna, the hunna become hinna. Okay, hunna become hinna. So it is attached, so it's nasabo jar, and it is feminine obviously, and it is plural obviously, and it is proper obviously. Easy ones. Bianna whom. So whom is the one, it's attached now. So when it comes to attach, nasabo jar, and it is plural, many people, they, and it is masculine side, and it is proper. Nasiru huma again attached, so it is nasabo jar. It can be masculine, feminine, doesn't matter. And huma again, the it is not plural, not singular, it is pair, and finally is proper. Here is very easy. Here independent is always independent pronoun is rafa and singular, and it is always feminine. Here is feminine, and finally it is proper. Inna ni, I told you ni, right? Ni. When it come to ni, ana become ni when it nasib. Okay, ana is rafa, ni is nasib, e is jar. Remember that. Remember, it's very important. So ni is nasib, first thing, and second thing is it is singular is one, ana, so it's one, and it is masculine, and finally it is proper. 20 hunna, we already done, I think, the independent one. So rafa, feminine, plural, and proper. Kulluhum, hum, attach, nasibo jar, and it is plural, and it is masculine, and it is proper. Ana, it says ana, actually it's ana should be, I think. Ana is singular, rafa, masculine, and proper. Yahdi, he, who or he attached is rafa, nasibo jar, and it's singular, and it is masculine, and it is proper. Innani, again ni, I already explained. It is nasib, it is singular, it is proper, and it is masculine, singular, masculine. Okay, minhu, who already explained. Who can be nasibot jar, it can be it's singular, it's masculine, it's proper. Al ki ha is coming from here, so it is singular, it is feminine, it is nasibot jar since it's attached, and finally it's proper. Alaikum come from antum, so antum is, now antum become attached, is nasibot jar, and it is coming like plural, antum, you all. Then finally last two is definitely proper, and it is masculine. Be he, again he is coming here, he is coming from huwa, so it's singular, since it's attached, it's nasibot jar, and it is masculine, and it is proper. Rabbiki, Rabbiki coming from anti. Anti is, you know, it is singular, it is feminine, and it is proper, and since it is attached, it can be nasibot jar. Finally, yuallimuna, so na part, nahnu. Nahnu we already done several times. Nahnu, when it come to attach, na, so na is nasibot jar. When it come to attach, it's nasibot jar, and it is plural, and it is masculine, and it is proper. So this is a very, very easy exercise. So if you can understand this, we can go to the next. Now isim is over, almost over. Now we can go to the official isim is over. We can go to the next big lesson, that is fragments. We're going to learn fragments. Now isim is finished. Based on using isim, we're going to do fragments like linking two isms, how connecting two isms. Now you know how to individual isms, you understand. Now how to connect two isms, that's we learn in fragments. Okay, so subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.